How to get rid of little circle on iPhone screen. To get started, first of all, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the Accessibility option and tap on it. Accessibility helps you control your phone more easily and provides equal opportunities for everyone. Inside the Accessibility menu, scroll down until you find and tap on Touch under the Physical and Motor section. This section manages settings related to touch interactions. Now, tap on AssistiveTouch at the very top of the screen. On this page, simply tap the toggle switch next to AssistiveTouch to turn it off. The floating button will disappear from your screen, disabling the feature. Following these steps, you can easily get rid of the little circle on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.